This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Hapadeng gajing persya ki nong de jing de harut surok bat lentiyat kejat lane ki hawkers bat vendors ban Kynriah na ki jaka de jing de ha Khyndailad ha ka arpo hnyo tere ujelleo araja arpusan uba Paul Lingdo umentri beri khmi ya katanat social welfare bat nong ai kten ko sarkar MDA 2 ulaong bagajing ai por ya ki nong de madan kala kutno balada kindang pen ru ka an kan sepen Treikam persya yaki Kumban sukudau ke sarkar jala lingba ka jing ai jing mot ka town vending committee kala dep pen benapat ba lingba ki kor jing pen sawala ni ki tinghong ha keleng ka Khyndailad ban betha ya ki hawkers but vendors baki day ban Kynriah no syaki jaka bala pen krek ka sarkar kum ka vending zone hapo ka arpo ar tarik unaitung araja arpusan Ka sarkar kala pentip ru baki hawkers but vendors ki badon ya ka certificate of vending COV kila ban let dia hagi jaka jong ka sarkar ka badon ha parking lot ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority muda ka mala ka basajrong nangta ha ka jaka ka badon ha persya ka State Bank of India main branch Nalor kene la mana ru ba bit shu ban shong de jing de harut surok ban lentiyat kijat ka Khyndailad ni ha ki jaka ba marjan kat kum ki kendon ka Meghalaya Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Scheme araja arpulai bat ka Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Act arajar khat saw Habakran segilat pathai kubor uba Paul ulaong. Makidon kumba South Pa ngot ki hawkers but vendors kibala yo certificate na ka town vending committee. But yaka surak hi anam dan menu ru bala ban kam try yaka.
Notices have been sent. All under the town vending committee. About 400 vendors have been identified after going through a rigorous procedure of identification and selection, and we also are aware that the problem of street vending has led to several daily discomfort and inconvenience to people using the streets of Shillong. And the roads of Shillong are not for just one category of users. The deadline has already expired. So
when are you planning to actually...
the law will take its own course. Now, whether they move or not is immaterial. They have been given alternative spaces, whether they accept or not, because nobody can dictate that this is my right. Because you also have... apart from motorists, apart from vendors, you also have pedestrians. They don't form associations. They don't go to court. Why should they be denied their right?
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya